You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome.
Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today we're gonna talk about the new palette of Pat McGrath Labs. Yes, the new one is, I'm gonna show you because I bought two palettes of Pat McGrath Labs. This one, ooh, and the new one is this one. Look at it. Yes, the packaging is not like this. Yes, of course like this, but in like beautiful box. But me, I just got it. So we're gonna talk about this. What I have on my eyes, of course, is the new palette. Ready, pretty. Oh my god, I can't believe it. And this one is the Mothership 5, 6, 7, 8 Divine Rose 2. This one is a limited edition, of course, because they have the first one, the Divine Rose 1, I didn't like it, the color, but this one, oh my god, one eyeshadow just calling me. I'm like, oh my god, let's see what is it. It's like, I don't know the names, but it's this chrome, like, look at it. We cannot see it like a lot on the camera. This is gorgeous, and this one too is so different. Like the color I have it on the camera and the color like I see on live is so different, but totally. Like if you know Pat McGrath Labs, you know it's a great product. Yes, a little bit expensive, but who cares? The look like this. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna do a little tutorial, so are you ready for that? Are you ready to see this pretty, like, simple, natural, pretty little pinky tutorial? So let's go! Okay guys, so let's start about this. So you can see on the other side, I just already did it. So now we're gonna do it this one. So this is what it looks like with the Pat McGrath Lab. You know already, like, the packaging, it's amazing, and the color, it's so pretty as well. So let's start about this. I'm gonna do it my eyebrows first, like, you know, so everything's gonna be like the tutorial, you know what I mean? This tutorial about the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership palette, and this one is the last one, the Vivian Rose palette, we can say collection limited edition too. So let's start it. So first of all, you're gonna need a flat brush to put in the concealer, because yes, I have some concealer. So where's my concealer? Look how coverage is. So pretty. Then you go all over here. Perfect, you see? Oh my god, so much better. Love it. For doing my eyebrows, I use always a pat one. Here we go. I did the shape, and then you can clean with a Q-tips. Just need to clean the shape you wanna have. And voila. And with a gel eyebrows like this one is the benefit. You're just gonna brush it. For my lid, like you can see here, I'm gonna use it. The first one, this one. Oh, what is the name? I don't know the name. Where is the name? So I'm gonna use it, this one here, the first one, just here, because this one they have a little bit of pink chrome. Is very so pretty. This one is a shimmer. Then you can put it all over the eyes. Look how pretty. Oh, you cannot see in the camera, but on live it's so pretty. They have like pearls pink reflection. So I'm gonna use it, this one, for, we can say, a transition shade. And then this one I'm gonna do the shape of my eyes. Like this, you can see. And we're gonna take this brush, a flat brush, and we're gonna go with the pink one, the one like, I'm like, oh, when I see this palette, it's like I want it so badly. And then I like to put it like in the middle, and then press it. You go a little bit more up. Exactly like this, and then slay. Look at this pretty color. Oh my god. but you can see they have some fallout here. And then I'm gonna use this one right here, the more darker. Yeah, you can see in me what I like it. Put it a little bit of black, and for that you're gonna use a eyeshadow black, whatever you want it. Me, I gonna use it this one. 1, 2, just tiny. I don't want it that much black, and just outside the corner like this. This one, it's so glitter. I really love it. This shade is like wow. So I'm gonna do it with a flat brush, and then I'm gonna apply all over here. Look, oh my god, this is totally worth it. It's like a sparkle finish, metallic, but it's so wow. I really love it. With a small tiny brush like this, I'm gonna use one of chromatic. It's very like, you can see, oh my god, this color is everything. All the color is everything, but like this tree, I'm like this, and this. Oh my god, this one is so amazing. You see, it's so easy and so like rapido presto. You don't wait for that. It's so amazing. And you see, I think I'm done. Let's see, yes, I'm done. Everything is good. So let's put in some lashes. Let's take it off this. Et voila. Ooh, gorgeous. And I'm gonna do it my whole face, and I will come back soon, guys. Don't worry, I will come back with this look of Pat McGrath. Like you can see on the tutorial, it was very faster, and then this is what it looks like. Do you like it? You don't like it? I really love this pinky vibe, of course, with this. Ooh, G Balvin guess, like they have a new collaboration. I have to buy it some item too. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. I really love it. In person, it's so much pretty, and in camera, because they have some reflection we see in real life and we cannot see in front of the camera. So that's why I'm like, what's good? But this is, don't worry about it, because this is like that. So this one, this beautiful palette is limited edition. I really recommend you, because I really love, I'm a huge fan of Pat McGrath Labs. Everything of Pat McGrath Labs, I love it. The new concealer, hello, mais hello quoi, what's wonderful is blur your imperfection. The foundation, oh my god. I don't have it right now because I have to like using all my foundation. I have it right now. Like, bye Ura Beauty, welcome to Pat McGrath Lab, because I just already bought it. I just try. I'm like, oh, I love it. But now when this foundation I have right now is gonna be gone, I'm gonna use it, the concealer and the foundation of Pat McGrath Labs. They have 10 brilliantly blendable shade eyeshadow. Totally is blend like butter. Oh my god, that's what I like about Pat McGrath Lab. All color together is blend to give it a beautiful like makeup like this. I really like it. And they have 5 finish. They have shimmer, matte, metallic, satin and glitter. One I have it here, it's glitter, and I really love it. Ooh, look at it. Oh my god, I don't know, this is my new studio. Oh my god, I don't know how it's going on, but I think it's very good, because the camera, like, I think I'm gonna do a tour about my studio later. I don't know when, but it's coming soon. Don't you have to stay in there, because I'm gonna show you my room beauty. Oh my god, everybody say like it's pretty. Yeah, because of the price, of course. So this is what it looks like. It's finished. Very like 5 minutes of makeup. If you're looking for this palette, yes, it's expensive, but I don't care, because when it's Pat McGrath Labs, it's quality, it's blendable, it's give you like a butter. The eyeshadow is very, oh mon dieu, I'm dying for that. When I swatching, like let's swatch some one like this one, the pink one, like you can see, ooh, my fake tattoos. So this one, look at it. Ay Dios mío. And this one, the gold. Look, this golden. Oh my god, this one like the peach shimmer. Oh my god, Beno, Beno, Beno. Look at it. No, totally, I knew it. That's why it's a little bit expensive. I told you like 170 Canadian for me. You know what? Like they have Sephora some reward points. Like you exchange it like 2,500 points for $100, but you have to be faster for having this because it's going so faster like pan caliente. And for that, that's why I bought it this one, because for me, for be personal, I'm not gonna buy full price except if they have promotion or I have a credit or something like that, because yes, $200 for me, it's a lot. Between you and me, like it's a lot for a palette, but still it's great quality. And the packaging, look, it's a brick. I can kick your ass like but if you have promotion, everything like that, just bought it. So if you have the 20% off of Sephora, and or like I told you, like the point you exchange it. So now I have four Pat McGrath Labs collection. Oh my god, I feel so like, oh my god, when I always the blue, the green, and this one is the new one, the red. Oh my god, look, 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 look. This one is the red one. This one is the Mothership, I don't remember, 5. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. And what I have it is Mothership, the new one with the flowers. This one, oh, look, the picture as well is so pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I feel like that, like, oh. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. See you another new video, and don't forget, we are the stars of our lives. Hasta la vista.